Hi-ho! Kermit the Frog here, your amazing green announcer. This is the Beebus Show! Yay! Starring Beebus and Melvin and Larry. Let the adventure begin.
Hey, final day of instruction out for some boat dives today. We are diving deep. Yay! So hope you join me, and yeah, stay tuned for some pretty amazing footage, I'm sure. And okay, so I'm at the Cozumel Dive Academy with B. She is one of the amazing people on staff here, and she's just incredible. Not to mention, she's a spot-on doppelganger to a kid that I taught like 20 years ago. It's crazy, I know. Yeah, really small world. So, B, tell us, how long have you been diving?
For about 7 years, I think. Just about 7 years.
Wow,
yeah.
holy cow.
On and off.
Did you start when you were like 9?
I'm not that young, I'm not that young. I started when I was about 12 or 13.
Got it.
Then, yeah.
Okay,
I'm 20
nice.
now. I'm not a child.
Right on. So, what do you love best about diving and being here in Cozumel and Cozumel Dive Academy?
I think with diving, the atmosphere, the people, all divers we're quite laid back, we're quite chilled, and the whole sport itself is really nice. And also it's really quite peaceful. You know, you have some tough dives where you're swimming against the current, it's a lot of work, but it can be really nice because it's a chill sport. You know, you have running, you have sprinting, but we can just go for a dive for an hour, come back, lounge around, put on a new tank, go out again, and just not be that tired, and have seen sharks, turtles, everything. It's a lot of fun.
Oh, that's amazing. Right on. Yep. Well, I know I was hooked from moment one, and as you know, I'm a big adventurer, do lots of things in the outdoors, but diving is definitely my new favorite sport.
He's very enthusiastic. Every time he's like, wow, it's amazing.
Right on. B, you've been such a good sport. Thank you for talking with us a minute. So, all right.
Everyone needs to go diving.
Absolutely. All right. Very good. Thank you. absolutely incredible experience here in Cozumel with the Cozumel Dive Academy. Email Phil. I'll leave his email in my description along with a link to their website. Look them up. If you're ever down there, ever got a desire to dive, learn how to dive, they're great instructors, or just have an incredible diving experience. You can, as an experienced diver, you can schedule dives throughout the whole Caribbean. So unbelievably beautiful. So peace and love. Get out there, feed your soul, do what you need to do to feed your soul. Hey, howdy ho, Melvin here. So, just wanted to remind everybody that we've got a simple mission on the Beepa Show, and it's just this: share the joy. Yeah, that's all it is. So if you enjoyed today's episode with me doing my crazy antics, or maybe Larry out on some adventure or something, man, pass it on. Yeah, copy that link. I'm not quite sure how to do that, but copy that link and then email it. That's a newfangled thing, not so sure how to do that. And then, or maybe text it. That's another newfangled thing. I don't know how to do that so well either. Maybe you could drop it in a box and put a ribbon on it. Send it in the snail mail, man. That's a little more my speed. But in any event, yeah, pass it on to family, friends, anybody, dogs, cats, we don't mind. Wherever you share the joy at, it's going to help make the whole world a little better place. And wouldn't that be a good thing? We sure think so. So, that said, Beepus, I gotta do the switcheroo. Beepus, you got anything to say? Good thing I speak dog, because he said, share the joy. Larry, how about you? You got anything to say?
Melvin, I'm good. I think you and Beepus and Kirby covered it pretty well.
Okie dokie then. Kermie, how about you?
Share the joy.
Oh, you see? Share the joy. Y'all have a good day now.